not succumb. We will not succumb. We will fight till the last. आज दुनिया को पता चलना चाहिए कि हिंदुस्तान कश्मीर के साथ क्या करता है. आज दुनिया को पता चलना चाहिए कि मोदी का हिंदुस्तान है, गांधी का हिंदुस्तान है.
Lok Sabha MP Sheikh Abdul Rashid, popularly known as Engineer Rashid, walked out of jail on September 11th to campaign for the assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir till October 2nd.
I take a pledge that I will fight Modi's narrative of Naya Kashmir, which has miserably failed in Jammu and Kashmir. People have rejected his narrative, and people of J&K have rejected whatsoever he did on 5th August 2019.
Engineer Rashid has been lodged in Delhi's Tihar jail in a case of alleged terror funding since 2019. Rashid recently won the Lok Sabha elections from Baramulla, contesting from behind bars as an independent. He could not get bail then and was allowed out only to take oath as an MP. He defeated two heavyweights, former Chief Minister and National Conference President Omar Abdullah and People's Conference's leader Sajid Ghani Lone. He finished 2 lakh votes ahead of Omar. In this video, we will look at who Engineer Rashid is.
जब कभी मेरा नाम लिखना हो, अब्दुल रशीद शेख एलियास इंजीनियर रशीद @इंजीनियर रशीद, मतलब नाम तक भी उलझा देते हैं. ये कौन सा एजेंसी का गेम चल रहा है? अरे आई एम इंजीनियर बाय प्रोफेशन.
Rashid is a civil engineer turned politician. He hails from Kalamabad in Langate in Kupwara district. Rashid was an employee with Jammu and Kashmir Projects Construction Corporation. His interest in politics led him to become an aide of Hurriyat leader and Sajid Lone's father, Abdul Ghani Lone. In early 2000, Rashid shot to the spotlight when he launched a campaign against alleged forced labor by the army in Langate. After Abdul Ghani's assassination, Rashid sided with Sajid and they seemed ready to take the plunge into electoral politics in 2008. But Sajid changed his mind after the Amarnath Land Rao agitation, and Rashid parted ways to contest as an independent for the assembly elections. In the 2014 assembly elections, Rashid won again on the strength of his brand of politics that put him apart from the mainstream parties and bordered separatism, thus filling a crucial middle. He built on it further with his anti-BJP and Kashmiri nationalism stand. He's also a controversial personality. Back in the day, a beef party was thrown by him at the MLA hostel, and this even saw a scuffle in the assembly with BJP MLAs like Ravinder Raina, who were part of the ruling coalition with the PDP, beating him up. This incident further saw an escalation when ink was thrown at him outside the Press Club of India in Delhi. The ink throwers accused Engineer Rashid of insulting the cow considered sacred to Hindus. The Vishnu Gupta-led Hindu Sena had claimed responsibility for that attack.
ये जो कुलकर्णी के साथ हुआ, ये हमारे साथ हुआ. आज हम दुनिया को कहना चाहते हैं कि आप देख लीजिए हिंदुस्तान कहाँ पे खड़ा है. आप कहते थे पाकिस्तान में तालिबानाइजेशन है, ये हिंदुस्तान में क्या हो रहा है, हम दुनिया को कहना चाहते हैं.
Rashid had then demanded and hoisted the contested J&K flag at Srinagar's Pratap Park. In wake of the Burhan Wani killing, the unrest in the valley and the collapse of the PDP-BJP government in 2018, Rashid contested from the Baramulla Lok Sabha seat in the 2019 parliamentary elections, backed by bureaucrat-turned-politician Shah Faisal. While Rashid finished third in his first Lok Sabha contest, he got over 1 lakh votes. Months later came the abrogation of Article 370 and Rashid's arrest. The loyal support base, nurtured by him, further fueled by his arrest, is what his campaign is banking on now.
मुझे लगता है कश्मीरी वहां तक नौबत ही नहीं आएगी. अवामी इत्तेहाद पार्टी को भरपूर मंडेट मिलेगा. आई एम श्योर.